Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the Roku remote is responsive and the TV is on. This avoids delays. From the home screen, move to Settings, then Accessibility. The narrator is an accessibility feature, so you must access this exact menu. Once there, pause and confirm you can see the accessibility options list. If voice guide is speaking, follow spoken cues to the accessibility item. Make sure to use the arrow buttons slowly to prevent overshooting the setting. Now that you're in accessibility, locate voice guide. Roku calls the narrator voice guide. You navigate with the remote arrows. Pressing OK opens its settings because the feature needs an explicit toggle. Once inside, select the on/off switch and choose off. This stops spoken menus. After toggling, Roku usually speaks a confirmation if still active for a moment, so wait until speech ceases. If it remains, repeat the toggle slowly to ensure the command registers. Finish by returning to the home screen and moving through a few menus to confirm the narrator is silent. That verifies the change persisted. If speech continues, restart the Roku device because settings sometimes need a reboot to apply. Make sure the remote is paired correctly, and if problems continue, check for a system update. Outdated firmware can re-enable accessibility behaviors. One key troubleshooting tip: if updates and restart fail, unpair and repair your remote before repeating the voice guide toggle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.